you how great they are in spelling. And now I have 3 improvisers. Can I ask you a word that you learned in preschool?
Onomatopoeia.
In preschool, one syllable word. Cat. And this is cat.
Cat. C-A-T. Cat.
And they will make a sentence out of it.
My cat
Is
really pretty. Cat.
we have 2 more improvisers. So now can I ask you a word that you learned in elementary?
Power.
Power. This is power.
Power.
P-O-W-E-R.
Power. I.
Have
The power.
to
Powerize.
the
Word. Power.
And I have 2 more improvisers. So can I ask you a word that you learned in college? Mitochondria. Mitochondria.
Mitochondria. M. O. C.
A-R.
I. R. I. A. Mitochondria. The is
In
the
body of
the
person
of
a
mitochondria.